Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Crypto Corner, your crypto radar for all of the latest news, reviews, market analysis and tutorials that help you master the cryptocurrency market. Well, in today's episode we are going to talk about an application that I actually mentioned already. I featured it a few episodes ago. I think it was probably a month ago or just over a month ago. It is in fact a messenger application that I have been using on my phone. It is just like Telegram. I don't know if you can actually see this. It is very similar to Telegram. In fact, it is a fork of the Telegram messenger, and it has a lot of new features, a lot of added features that Telegram doesn't actually have, which I find really cool, and this is why I'm featuring it here to bring it to your attention. If you are already a Telegram user, and if you're in crypto, you're most likely a Telegram user, then it makes perfect sense to look into this application. I will explain why. Okay, so the application is called iMe, which is in fact a fork of Telegram. It's using the API of Telegram and improves the user experience with the addition of some very useful tools, such as having its own cryptocurrency that users can earn if they want to monetize their content. Also, I have been using this app instead of the regular Telegram app on my phone, and it's a really great experience. It really enhances the user experience. The best part is that you get to keep all of your chats and channels exactly as they are on Telegram. You just link iMe Messenger with the same phone number as you do with Telegram, and automatically you will get all of your Telegram content and chats appear in the iMe Messenger application. You don't have to transfer anything. I will talk about the cryptocurrency of iMe in more details today, but first, a few words about this application if you missed my previous video. iMe, as I mentioned, is a fork of the Telegram protocol. It is a smart ecosystem with DAO principles and their own native token called Lime as its foundation. Based on Telegram's API, the messenger's structure serves as a gateway for Telegram's users to the world of crypto and DeFi. So, Telegram, Ethereum, Uniswap, Binance Smart Chain and Simplex integrations stand as only the beginning, and these are already available for mass adoption. Bitcoin, PancakeSwap, 1inch and many more are coming later this year. iMe Smart Platform combines a messenger full of new features and possibilities for communication, a crypto wallet with integrated crypto exchanges to make transactions and swap tokens in almost 2 clicks, together with more possibilities both for entertaining and finance management. The target objective of the project is the popularization of DeFi among people using messengers. iMe Smart Platform is the first messaging ecosystem integrated with well-functioning DeFi tools. App users may apply the wallet and other features even at this stage. iMe's crypto roadmap includes integration of the Ethereum blockchain and support for Ether, buying, storing or transfer of Ether. This was done at the end of last year. USD Tether was also added in March this year. Then a Uniswap integration was completed last month. Now we have the release of the Lime token and exchange option for AI coin to Lime also by the end of May. We're even expecting to see listings on Uniswap and 1inch exchanges. Also, deposits with income in USD Tether and even Bitcoin blockchain integration and more will be coming in June, and we can expect listing on CEX and adding Lime to Simplex platform. One of the really useful features of the app is the integrated Google Translator, which means that if you're in a multilingual groups like me, you can easily translate messages from other members without leaving the application, and you can even dictate your messages if you want that instead of typing. This is not leaving a voice message, but just dictate it and it translates into text. But even more advanced is the use of the pre-programmable bots that here in this application are enhanced with machine learning software. These are called neurobots here, and with time they improve their performance to become completely automated and to deliver human-like experience. Some of the other cool features are convenient multi-panel, voice messages transcription into text, easy music section to keep your favorite tracks in the cloud, customizing your avatar, group settings and much more. Their user-based statistics show exponential growth. Wallet activation numbers are also growing fast, and they have already reached over 2 million users on both iOS and Android. Back in April, they had more than 160,000 users per day, and this figure is way bigger by now. And any potential or actual Telegram users may become a part of the iMe community without losing any contacts and chats that they have in Telegram by just downloading the application. And taking into consideration Telegram's community counting more than 500 million users right now, it may be suggested how much of them will learn about this application and download it. About the tokens, there are actually two tokens. Lime token, that's one of them. This is the cryptocurrency token of the platform. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is the native cryptocurrency in the iMe Messenger and crypto wallet application. In total, 1 billion Lime tokens will be issued, and the market capitalization of the project right now is only 393,000 at the initial stage. The share of the tokens allocated to investors will be around 20%. Each user with Lime tokens in the account will receive extra benefits, including the use of decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap or 1inch, also access to such integrated blockchains as Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain. Ethereum will actually be available to other users of the application without a positive Lime tokens balance, but also Lime token will be utilized according to the DAO principle, providing the project community with absolute transparency of the team's actions and plans and the possibility to influence its development as well. Token holders will have a permanent right to vote in various polls regarding the project development in the app. The next stage will include the introduction of the tiers. So owners of the higher tiers, such as the top tier and the medium tier, will have more opportunities and rights in the voting on various suggested proposals and functions of the application. At the initial stage, the rule of the simplest tier will work for all token holders. Users with a certain amount of Lime tokens in their account will be able to use all of the integrated functionality, including Uniswap, Pancake, and others. Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain, of course, also. They will receive access to various exclusive features and special offers in the iMe as well. This Lime token will be listed on popular crypto exchanges, Uniswap being the first of them, and this will allow users to purchase coins of their choice in exchange for the Lime tokens that they earned or they received on the iMe platform. The utility of Lime tokens outside of the iMe platform will be facilitated to a great extent through the listing. And also, the more partners that iMe has, the more privileges that the Lime token holders will get. So, Lime token is the main and only crypto token of the iMe Smart platform, and it's necessary for different operations like exchanging for different coins and tokens. It's the #1 currency of the project. Any iMe user will be able to buy Lime and exchange it on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, 1inch that will be integrated into the application. Users will need Lime tokens for many exchange transactions in iMe. It's also important to make the difference between Lime token and AI coin. These are the two coins that you can use inside the Messenger app. AI coin is actually the native centralized stable coin inside the platform. It doesn't have any investment or speculative purposes. AI coin transactions are actually instant, they're cross-border, and they're commission-free. This is the big difference here. AI coin is designed to be exchanged for Lime tokens, and it's basically a payment method to purchase premium features in the application. And it doesn't include a gas fee. It doesn't include any fee at all, actually. AI coin can be really useful for the iMe users who are not willing to withdraw their funds from their wallets. They can use it to buy premium features in the application, and it will be more convenient for them to transfer AI coin than Ethereum, for instance. Especially when small transactions are made on Ethereum, the gas fees can actually easily be higher than the actual amount these days. So this is really why AI coin comes very handy. Because you cannot convert AI into USDC or USD Tether or any other cryptocurrency like any other stable coin, you will need to actually exchange these AI coins for Lime tokens, and then you can convert these Lime tokens into any of the token that you want, or the ones that will be supported, of course, on the exchanges. As I said, the first exchange that will be listing this token, Lime token, is Uniswap. And you can actually exchange your AI coin into Lime and then go on Uniswap and exchange that Lime token for another token, depending on what trading pairs there will be, depending on, what is the liquidity as well. You can even be a liquidity provider if you want, or you can hold these Lime tokens if you want to just wait for the price to appreciate and make some profit from that as well. So at its core, the AI coin can act as a bridge for the transition to decentralized finance for many people, for those who cannot buy cryptocurrency for fiat money due to any restrictions. Or AI coin can be bought using a bank card if you have it linked to the App Store or your Google Play account as an in-app purchase, and then you can exchange it for a cryptocurrency. So this is yet another way to bypass restrictions and actually get into cryptocurrencies. It is really a gateway into cryptocurrencies. This is the main use of this, and you can actually find more details about this coin on this website. I will actually drop the link in the description below for your own reference. There's also this post with details about the neurobots, the ones that I mentioned. For those who want to monetize their content and make the most of the iMe experience, the neurobots are actually much more advanced version of the pre-programmable bots that Telegram is already offering. So this is another good source that you will find in the description below. The Lime token actually already had a very successful initial decentralized exchange offering, IDO, which started on the 25th of May. It's already completed, and it was at the base price of just 2 cents per token. Now we're waiting for the Uniswap listing, and we're going to see what the market will do as it gets listed, what kind of a price it will get. And the listing will be announced very soon, so keep an eye on their Telegram group and their official channel as well for this. I actually featured this project on this channel a few weeks back, so those of you who got the token in the pre-sale will definitely need to watch out for the launch date for the announcement. And I mean, if you don't have to sell this token straight away, but at least monitor its performance once trading begins. All in all, this application is almost identical to Telegram. As I said, there are a few extra features that you will find here that are not in the original Telegram application, but being a fork, the code of Telegram actually, because it's open source, has been forked, and this is how we end up with this improved version of the Telegram application. For me, it is really a no-brainer. I use both, and I do have both on my phone, but lately, ever since I actually downloaded iMe Messenger, I find myself using it far more than the actual Telegram application. It just has more customization features, and of course the translator, as I said, this for me is a big thing because I am in quite a few groups, and in many of these there are Spanish-speaking audience and Russian-speaking audiences. People that otherwise I had to, if it's an important message or something, I want to know what people are discussing and what they're talking about. So when they're talking in a foreign language, I sometimes have to copy and go into Google Translate to translate what they're saying and stuff. Here with this, the translation is done automatically, so it's inside the application. For me, this is really useful. And of course, the fact that I can monetize now my content. So many people are making groups, and often they want you to pay, for signals or whatever it is. I don't really do that. I don't really charge for groups or for signals or anything like that. But there are many ways, many different types of content that you can monetize. You can even sell neurobots. You can monetize your neurobots. So there are various ways to actually earn money in this application, just being a Telegram user and earning money for it, something that Telegram is not actually doing. If you remember, they were going to launch their own token, and then they got into muddy waters with regulators about the way the token was being offered. Basically it was declared to be a security. They had to refund all of the people that bought the token in their pre-sale and everything, and it's no longer launching. At least for now, they're not launching their own token. Well, this application has managed to launch their own token. As I said, they have two tokens. One is a cryptocurrency, the other one is just a centralized token that you're using inside the application. You can earn AI tokens, and then you can swap them for Lime, and the Lime you go on Uniswap and you swap it for Ethereum or anything else that you want. So this is in short how it works. In fact, I did present this project to you in a little more detail in my previous episode, so I will link that also in the description below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you will also find it up here in the corner right now, so you can go and check it out. This is where I actually introduced the whole project with all of the different features and everything. So hopefully this is helping you guys. I hope you got value from this video, you liked it, and if you did, show your support by leaving a like and a comment below, and also share it with someone else who would benefit from watching it. Don't forget that leaving a comment on any of my videos from now on all the way until August will qualify you also for my special summer giveaway. One of the prizes for this giveaway is a Ledger Nano S, a brand new Ledger Nano S device, one of the most desired hardware wallets on the market. So this is one of the prizes. I will be announcing all of the prizes very soon, so make sure that you're subscribed and you've got this notification activated so that you know when I'm posting a new video and you never miss an episode. This is everything from me for this episode. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. I'm signing off and I'll see you in the next one.